dear kids! Welcome to the Luminaires! Let's shine bright together! Hello kids! Let's learn tables from 2 to 10. I'll teach you and you'll repeat after me. Table of 2. 2 ones are 2.
2 ones are 2.
2 twos are 4.
2 twos are 4.
2 threes are 6.
2 threes are 6.
2 fours are 8.
2 fours are 8.
2 fives are 10.
2 fives are 10.
2 six are 12.
2 sixes are 12.
2 sevens are 14.
2 sevens are 14.
2 eights are 16.
2 eights are 16.
2 nines are 18.
2 nines are 18.
2 tens are 20.
2 tens are 20.
Table of 3. 3 ones are 3.
3 ones are 3.
3 twos are 6.
3 twos are 6.
3 threes are 9.
3 threes are 9.
3 fours are 12.
3 fours are 12.
3 fives are 15.
3 fives are 15.
3 sixes are 18.
3 sixes are 18.
3 sevens are 21.
3 sevens are 21.
3 eights are 24.
3 eights are 24.
3 nines are 27.
3 nines are 27.
3 tens are 30.
3 tens are 30.
Table of 4. 4 ones are 4.
4 ones are 4.
4 twos are 8.
4 twos are 8.
4 threes are 12.
4 threes are 12.
4 fours are 16.
4 fours are 16.
4 fives are 20.
4 fives are 20.
4 sixes are 24.
4 sixes are 24.
4 sevens are 28.
4 sevens are 28.
4 eights are 32.
4 eights are 32.
4 nines are 36.
4 nines are 36.
4 tens are 40.
4 tens are 40.
Table of 5. 5 ones are 5.
5 ones are 5.
5 twos are 10.
5 twos are 10.
5 threes are 15.
5 threes are 15.
5 fours are 20.
5 fours are 20.
5 fives are 25.
5 fives are 25.
5 sixes are 30.
5 sixes are 30.
5 sevens are 35.
5 sevens are 35.
5 eights are 40.
5 eights are 40.
5 nines are 45.
5 nines are 45.
5 tens are 50.
5 tens are 50.
Table of 6. 6 ones are 6.
6 ones are 6.
6 twos are 12.
6 twos are 12.
6 threes are 18.
6 threes are 18.
6 fours are 24.
6 fours are 24.
6 fives are 30.
6 fives are 30.
6 sixes are 36.
6 sixes are 36.
6 sevens are 42.
6 sevens are 42.
6 eights are 48.
6 8s are 48.
6 9s are 44. 6 9s are 54.
6 9s are 54.
6 10s are 60.
6 10s are 60.
Table of 7. Table of 9. 9 ones are 9.
9 ones are 9.
9 twos are 18.
9 2s are 18.
9 threes are 27.
9 3s are 27.
9 fours are 36.
9 4s are 36.
9 fives are 45.
9 5s are 45.
9 sixes are 54.
9 6s are 54.
9 sevens are 63.
9 7s are 63.
9 eights are 72.
9 8s are 72.
9 nines are 81.
9 9s are 81.
9 tens are 90.
9 10s are 90.
Table of 10. 10 ones are 10.
10 ones are 10.
10 twos are 20.
10 2s are 20.
10 threes are 30.
10 3s are 30.
10 fours are 40.
10 4s are 40.
10 fives are 50.
10 5s are 50.
10 sixes are 60.
10 6s are 60.
10 sevens are 70.
10 7s are 70.
10 eights are 80.
10 8s are 80.
10 nines are 90.
10 9s are 90.
10 tens are 100.
10 10s are 100.
That's it for today's tables lesson. Thanks for learning with me, kids. See you in the next video.